Welcome to MotoZone Official. This time, we will discuss about top 5 cruiser motorcycles that are perfect for beginners. One, Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350. If cruiser style matters just as much as rideability, the Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350 stands out instantly. Built on Enfield's proven 350cc platform, this bobber-inspired machine delivers relaxed performance that's perfect for new riders. Its single-cylinder, air and oil-cooled engine produces just under 20 horsepower, which may sound modest, but that's exactly the point. Power delivery is smooth, predictable, and unintimidating. A low 29.5-inch seat height allows most riders to comfortably plant both feet at stops, boosting confidence right away. Standard ABS, mini ape hanger bars, white wall tires, and bold colors give the Goan serious visual swagger. While its weight and limited highway performance are worth noting, as a beginner cruiser with personality, it's hard to ignore. Two, CFMoto 450 CLC. The CFMoto 450 CLC proves that entry-level doesn't have to mean bare bones. This modern cruiser comes loaded with features rarely seen in the segment, including traction control, ABS, a full-color TFT display, LED lighting, and a slipper clutch. Power comes from a 449cc liquid-cooled parallel twin producing a healthy 40 horsepower. Still manageable for beginners, but strong enough for longer rides and highway use. With a very low 27-inch seat height and a chunky, confidence-inspiring stance, the 450 CLC balances comfort, technology, and value. Its aggressive pricing makes it one of the most compelling beginner cruisers on the market today. Three, Yamaha V Star 250. For riders who want something simple, traditional, and proven, the Yamaha V Star 250 remains a classic choice. It's the only small-displacement V-twin cruiser from a major manufacturer, and its analog nature makes it extremely beginner-friendly. The low 27-inch seat, relaxed ergonomics, and modest power output create a stress-free learning experience. There's no advanced tech here, just a straightforward 5-speed gearbox, air-cooled engine, and old-school cruiser charm. It's slow by modern standards, but forgiving, predictable, and ideal for riders who value simplicity over specs. Four, Honda Rebel 300. Few motorcycles are as universally recommended for beginners as the Honda Rebel 300. Its lightweight chassis, ultra-low seat height, and smooth 286cc single-cylinder engine make it incredibly easy to ride. The Rebel's linear power delivery and slipper clutch help new riders build confidence quickly, while fuel injection and disc brakes front and rear add modern reliability. Its stripped-down, blacked-out bobber styling appeals to younger riders, and Honda's legendary build quality seals the deal. Taller riders may feel a bit cramped, but as a first cruiser, the Rebel 300 remains one of the best all-around choices. Five, Kawasaki Eliminator. Rounding out the list is the Kawasaki Eliminator, a modern take on the beginner cruiser. Powered by a Ninja 400-derived parallel twin engine, it offers smooth, flexible performance that's ideal for both city riding and highway cruising. The Eliminator combines a neutral riding position with a manageable seat height and lightweight chassis, making it one of the easiest full-size cruisers to handle. LED lighting, a slipper clutch, and optional ABS add to its appeal, while the modern styling sets it apart from more traditional cruisers. For beginners who want something practical, capable, and contemporary, the Eliminator is a strong contender.